Hey everyone, welcome to part 2 of Shinken unboxing. Do check out part 1 if you haven't after this video. Please bear in mind, this is my first to do any cutting using a Shinken. I apologize if my skills are atrocious to see. Currently I'm setting up a single sheet of newspaper as the first cutting trial. I've used to do this exercise with my AI tools. It requires total Kisaki precision and speed. So with a proper cutting blade, this should be a fairly easy cutting experience. Okay, that was unexpected. Perhaps it is not as easy as I anticipated. The sword simply went through as if it wasn't even there. Alright, time to get more serious. Right through the Kisaki. The quick snap is very satisfying. Except for that one. Hopefully you guys can see it in this angle. Even with a slight misalignment, the blade just smashes against the paper. Nice. Okay. Cutting wasn't straight, but still passed. Slaps the paper away. Darn. Attempt to create a new setup. This shall be my official first cutting on a target with masses. Feeling pretty nervous for this first cut. Okay, let's try again. That went through surprisingly smooth. If I were to describe the feeling, it went through the lemon like a quick snap. I hardly feel much resistance, unlike cutting a lemon in the kitchen where you can feel the fiber as you cut through. Now look at that. Now that is very exhilarating.
Cool.
Let's try that again. Figured out a better and quicker resetting setup. Okay, I missed that one. This is way too addictive. I think I'm getting a high from this. I need to remember to work on my proper forms, not just getting high over slicing lemons. Oh darn, need to remember to wipe before sheeting. Trying out a turning Nukitsuke, inspired by the Asayama Ichiden Ryu Hyoho. Gotcha! Old habits haven't died. Miss. Miss again. Nope, just pushed it into the hole. No touch. Off by an inch. Gotcha. But didn't cut all the way through though. Through the middle. I must be hallucinating. I can smell and taste the lemon when editing this. No. Ah, my camera. All that from one lemon. Let's try something a little smaller. Didn't cut all the way through. Miss. Gotta remember to keep proper form and keeping my back straight. Nice. Okay. So close. Raising the difficulty level. He slices, he dices. Let's be more adventurous this time. Target is 2 steps away. Requires a forward steps before the cut. Way off target. Gotcha. Not as centered as I hoped, but gotcha. Too high. Miss. Gotcha. Sidestep cut failed. Sword alignment is off. pretty proud of this one. Lightning didn't strike the same place twice today. That's enough for today. Overall impressions, I can see why anyone would get addicted to this feeling. The blade itself performed adequately on soft targets, so as a starter Shinken, it's pretty decent. Thanks for indulging my new addiction. Practice hard, practice safe, and stay Zanshin. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Come check out my other cool videos. Thanks, and see you in the next one. ありがとうございます。